The American Cancer Society targets cancer patients, caregivers, medical professionals, and others who seek resources in preventing or treating cancer. There are many Americans who are forced to accept substandard healthcare services and endure assaults on their personal dignity when seeking treatment for cancer. According to Healthy People 2020, we must reduce the number of new cancer cases as well as illness, disability, and death caused by cancer. The American Cancer Society is a nationwide community-based voluntary nonprofit health organization and is funded primarily through private individual donations. It also runs public health advertising campaigns and organizes projects such as the Relays for Life, Making Strides Against Breast Cancer, and CEOs Against Cancer to raise money for its operations. The American Cancer Society's mission is to eliminate cancer as a major health problem by preventing cancer, saving lives, and diminishing suffering from cancer through research, education, advocacy, and service. The American Cancer Society was founded in 1913 and was initially called the American Society for the Control of Cancer, also known as ASCC. It was founded to raise public awareness about cancer and any progress made against the disease. Then, in 1945, the ASCC was then reorganized as the American Cancer Society, expanding its reach as an organization, working even harder in its efforts to fight back against cancer. Volunteers and staff help people stay well by sharing life-saving prevention and early detection messages in many communities. Secondly, they help people get well by offering direct assistance and support locally to help people with cancer as they drive cancer patients to and from treatment appointments and help organize patient support programs. Volunteers can also help find cures as they can participate in research projects and other general volunteer activities within the community. Or the volunteer and staff can help save lives and get involved with local events or participate in advocacy initiatives. The service that American Cancer Society provides are cancer information services, giving people accurate, up-to-date information on cancer, such as specific cancer treatment options, side effects, clinical trials, and more. The Cancer Information Services also locates resources to cancer patients. There are community programs and services too, such as day-to-day help and emotional support, providing rights to treatment and lodging. They also provide hair loss and mastectomy products with the American Cancer Society's TLC Tender Loving Care Catalog. For emotional support, the American Cancer Society provides a personal cancer guide that helps guide any cancer patient through cancer care. People can even share experiences, practical tips, and hope through the American Cancer Society Survivors Network. This CBO markets their program by launching brand campaigns aiming at differentiating the organization from other cancer charities. It succeeds at making an emotional connection, which was especially important in seeking to have people invest time in the organization. They also partner with many organizations such as Melanoma Research Alliance, and the Links Incorporated. The strengths of the CBO is that it has a strong brand recognition, enabling the organization's popularity, and with the capabilities and resources, the CBO is able to develop and be more sustainable. The weakness for the CBO is the funding disparities. A current program that the American Cancer Society offers is the Circle of Life. It provides cancer education and resources to help community health representatives and health educators work within American Indian and Alaska Native communities. The Circle of Life program provides a holistic, culturally sensitive, and interactive means for Native and tribal communities, families, and individuals to learn about cancer. They discuss healthy life choices and treatments of different cancers and provide resources and training while integrating cultural values such as the mind-body-spirit connection, storytelling, and visual communication. The Circle of Life has undergone 2 revisions, one in 2001 and another in 2008 to 2009. The program is still ongoing. To test the effectiveness, the modules provide information for cancer survivors and include pre- and post-tests to assess knowledge uptake. Results suggest that the education program has successfully raised cancer awareness in the tribe and has reached more than 300 individuals. If someone were to work for the American Cancer Society and or for the Circle of Life program, these are some of the attitudes that are necessary to interact effectively within these communities. They must be patient, caring, friendly, respectful, and resourceful. They also must be able to talk to people in their community about healthy lifestyles, finding cancer early, and cancer treatments, and planning and organizing gatherings, events, or meetings to educate people. In regards to cultural competence, all staff participates in diversity and inclusion training. This is designed to expand cultural awareness and promote real dialogue about inclusion. The American Cancer Society provides comprehensive review of specific communities, including history, cultural norms and values, medical beliefs, and patterns of volunteerism, and utilize external resources like TED Talks to foster appreciation of various multicultural topics and perspectives. The American Cancer Society also has employee engagement groups, also known as EEGs. They serve as a resource for their members and their society by fostering learning, generating dialogue, and supporting multicultural engagement. Overall, there are many specialists available to help people in regards to any patient services, resource requests, or cancer information questions. This CBO holds 24 offices just in California alone, such as Burbank, Riverside, Fresno, and Long Beach. Gary M. Brady is a seasoned executive with distinguished careers in both the private and nonprofit sectors and has been an active society volunteer since 2000. Other board members include Daniel P. Heiss, who is chair, and Jeffrey L. Keene, which is the vice chair. To contact the American Cancer Society for more information, visit the American Cancer Society online at cancer.org or call 1-800-227-2345. And to learn more about the Cancer Society's Circle of Life program in your community, go to www.cancer.org/circleoflife or email circleoflife@cancer.org.